In this video, I'm going to share how to set up the Google Sidekick in our blog website on WordPress. So we'll just go to login and we'll just go to plugins, install plugins because we already installed the plugin Google Sidekick. So we'll just go to activate it, and rest it will just guide us and we'll just keep going it. So it asks, congratulations, the Sidekick plugin is now activated. Okay, now we will start the setup. Let's go click on setup, and we also need to connect Google Analytics. That is very important. So I'm just going to select it, and I'm just going to sign in with my own Google, and you have to do with your own Gmail ID or Google ID. Okay, so it will ask you to log in with your email ID. So I'm going to just click on my email ID that is I'm using on daily basis. Okay, so I'm just gonna go. It will ask Sidekick already some access. I'm gonna give 6 services access, so I'm just gonna go click on continue, and it also asks for some verification that you verify that you own it. So yes, I verified that I own the website. So yeah, it will automatically put the HTML code in my website and everything. It will do it self. Else we can also use the other way around, which is quite lengthy, but you need coding knowledge for that. For this, I do not need any coding knowledge, so I'm just gonna go click on it, and I'm just gonna turn on the metrics as well. So I'm just gonna allow it, and you have to allow everything. So because everything is important in that. Setup search console, again very important. Setup, click on setup, and it will automatically set up other. If we don't do setup with Sidekick, we will have to use some coding knowledge, and we have to put the code in our website in the heading, and it will take long because we are now beginners and we are bloggers. We do not need to know the coding thing, so we'll just go use that tool that is free and official by Google. So I'm just going to click next, and my console is ready. Now I will have to um, connect my analytics. So I'm just gonna go create analytics, set up new account. Okay. Uh, all right. So it is saying next property. I'm saying okay. Okay. Create account. It is creating account of Google Analytics, and again it will ask me to log in. So I'm just gonna go log in, and it will have the other access as well. So no worries. It's okay because Google owns these and Google take care of these. So no worries. So it will ask few other things for verification, for example your location and everything. Just let's see. It's loading. All right, so it takes few seconds, so do not need to worry or anything. Okay, it will ask for the location. Yes, so my location is going to be Pakistan. So I'm going to put Pakistan. You can put your own location, and I'm going to click on I also accept, and Google products and services. Okay, and I'm also gonna accept this as well. I'm just gonna go click accept. I will be accepting all the terms and conditions of Google. So go to my dashboard, and it will take me to my dashboard, and here your Google Sidekick is ready. So what we cover in Google Sidekick, there are a few things. Number one, your website indexation. You connected with Google Search Console, your website or whatever you post in future, it will automatically be indexed, or it go to indexing. Okay, on the other hand, it if we just connected Google Analytics just to analyze our data, who is coming to our website, the age, everything, the complete data of our users and our website as well. So this is it, because we do not have any data and we do not have any post, because this website is new, nobody is coming on this website, so there is no such data. Okay, so we'll just end this video and see you in the next video. That is going to be another video, important video, and we are going to set up Yoast SEO plugin for our blog website. See you in the next video. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you don't have yet. And also, please leave comment if you have any questions. I answered each question.